Hey guys, it's me again, So, I'm doing my bike repairs on usually Mondays. Sometimes you can call me and I can get a schedule and stuff, but I'm usually here on Mondays because I have like a weird schedule for whenever I'm at my mom's. Because I'm at my dad's for 2 weeks and then I'm at my mom's for half a week for a weekend. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing bike repairs here. But look at these prices. It's so cheap. It's so cheap. Bruh. I mean, I looked on Google for bike repair shops in Oklahoma, and none of them are this cheap. What is that? But seriously, those are the prices of my bike repair shop. Okay, what's some other things? Here's a picture of one of the bikes that I did a repair on. It's a pretty nice bike. Yeah, I did it in Oklahoma City, by the way. And no, I did not get this image off of Google, which everybody says. I actually travel. If like somebody's sick and they can't take their bike to my house, I go to their house instead. That bike I repaired myself while they stayed inside of their house and watched me do it in their front yard. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you when you get a bike repair. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications.